Welcome to Computers.mom. This is Allison, and I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone. Keep in mind that you can pause and rewind this video anytime you need to. Keeping your iPhone backed up is a good safety precaution, and it's also an easy way to transfer your information to a new phone if you're buying one. Start on the home screen of your iPhone and locate the Settings button. I keep mine on the upper left here, so it's really convenient. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name. In this case, it's listed as Computers.mom, and then on the iCloud option right here. Within iCloud, you've got to scroll all the way down, locate and tap on iCloud Backup, and then Backup Now, the blue option at the bottom. This will start the backup process, which can take quite a long time if you've never backed up your phone before, or if you have a lot of data, or it can just be a few minutes. You'll see an estimate of the backup time remaining at the bottom of the screen, but it's not very accurate, so don't count on it. When you're done, you'll see the last successful backup time at the bottom of the screen. That was pretty easy, but it doesn't always work so smoothly. Sometimes when you tap on iCloud Backup, you'll see this. The Backup Now option is grayed out. It's not available. That's because we're not connected to a Wi-Fi network, which you need in order to do the backup. If this happens to you, here's how to fix it. Let's go backwards through the settings at the top until I can see Wi-Fi and turn it on, and it will connect to a network that I have previously connected to. Once I'm connected to the network, notice that the little Wi-Fi fan shows up at the top of the screen. Now I can go back to my name and to iCloud. Once again, scroll all the way down and tap iCloud Backup, and you will be back at the Backup Now option. So here's a quick recap of the steps involved. Make sure your phone is charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Then on the home screen, tap Settings, tap on your name, tap iCloud Backup, and finally tap Backup Now. And just wait until you see last backup time, and you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching.